Hi again. Well, today's astronomy time video is a little bit different than what I've been giving you so far. It started off as an introduction to basically planning your observing sessions, being able to maximize your time under a dark sky when you go to the trouble of seeking out those dark skies. But it kind of morphed into an object lesson on a couple of things. First off, all the planning in the world needs to be properly prepared. And Tim's not as smart a guy as he always thinks he is. So sit back, relax, and hopefully you'll learn from some of my mistakes when you're planning your observing session.
Hi again, it's Tim, your living sky guy from the Paris of the Prairies, beautiful Saskatoon, and I'm on my way out of town from Saskatoon, and you can see a little bit of cloud, a lot of cloud behind me, but around me, in front of me, and all around me here, it's clear as a bell. So heading down to Diefenbaker Lake, to the shores. I've never shot there before, so this is the first chance to try that out. Try my hand at auto-guiding for the first time. I brought the big Celestron 9.25, see if we can't capture a few galaxies. I'm not expecting to get anything out of this from a guiding standpoint, because I've never done it before. There's a first time for everything, so there's, part of the learning curve. Looks like I've got the potential for a fun evening again. So on that happy note, take care, clear skies, and I'll talk to you soon.
If you want to continue on this voyage of discovery with me, please click on the subscribe button. And you can also follow my personal exploits on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Just search for Living Sky Guy. Clear skies, everyone.